Assalamualaikum to our judges and also committee members of the software modeling competition. My name is Nurul Hanina and I will be representing the Wellbeing Therapeutics group to present the PSYCH-GO project. So before that, I would like to say very much thank you to choose our project as part of the finalists for the competition. Okay, so let's dive into what PSYCH-GO is. So, what is PSYCH-GO? PSYCH-GO is actually a project based on problems regarding with people with mental health concerns to help them meet up with psychologists in a more convenient and easier way. So mostly these people with mental health concerns are usually busy, shy, and some of them are also introverts. So we conquer those limitations by having them can meet up anytime, anywhere. And also as a side feature, we can provide internship for psychology students, which I will be focusing on more in the presentation. Okay, so the first is a use case diagram. So there are 14 use cases, but in this presentation, I'll be focusing only on 3. Okay, so first is the chat AI chatbot, which allow users to share their mental health concerns with our chatbot anytime, anywhere. Let's see the sequence diagram right here. Okay, so first the patient must be logged in and start the chat. And once they engage the chat, the input will be taken as into the machine learning model, and they will predict the answers, and the state here will be changed to reply once the chatbot reply the message. Okay, so the patient can continue chat with the AI chatbot, and once they press OK, I would like to end this chat, the state will be changed to chatted. And at the end of the day, the whole conversation there will be retrieved into the machine learning model. And then the behavior will be predicted, and the analysis will be stored into the patient's behavior. Okay, here it is activity diagram. Okay, so the manage request. Manage request is where patients can manage their booking with their respective therapist that is chosen in the earlier registration. So here are some related clauses. So when the therapist receives the request by the patients in the booking page, so the therapist needs to open the manage request interface, and the request will be displayed. So when they check, and the status will be changed to checking, and then it will be checked, and then if they confirm to choose with the request time and date, they can say confirm, and then or maybe they choose to decline, which they will change the session timing according to the patient's need. Okay, so once they confirm or decline, they will be sent back to the patient here. Okay, moving on, here is the activity diagram. So the last use case is attend session. So attend session can be done by using chat room, video call, and also audio call. So first thing first, the user must be reminded for the session here. And then once they start the session, the state will be changed to attending. And when they engage in the session, here is the fun part. The therapist can actually see the patient's health status, which the health status is actually part of the machine learning model's prediction earlier, and also the previous report from the therapist of the previous session. So this can actually enhance and help the efficiency of the therapy session. So when the session is ended, the state will be changed to attended, and the session will be saved as in the user profile. Okay, so here is the activity diagram. So let's move on to the deployment diagram. So basically our system uses smartphone and also its camera in order to ensure the sessions are more effective in predicting the behavior. First thing first, the patient must be registered in order to be included in the system. To use the system, the users must be logged in to, The users must be logged in order to chat with the bot and match with the appropriate therapist, which will then be updated in the patient's profile and allow the users to attend sessions. Last but not least, patient's behavior data, overall report, and user profile will be saved in a database server. As a conclusion, our system will help people with mental health concerns to be more engaging with their therapist, as it eases them since the therapist can easily manage appointments with them in a more convenient manner. And on the plus side, the system will also help the intern to be psychologists, which are recommended by their respective universities in our system to find patients in order to help them ease their internship period. So as a closing note, I really do hope our system can help people with mental health concerns to have the appropriate treatment with a more convenient manner to help them ease their mental health concerns. So that is all from us. Thank you very much.